Guys, this video shows you LD player best setting for low-end PC, which will enhance your gaming experience. But before this, thumbs up for the video and make sure to subscribe the channel. So let's start. The first step is LD player setting. To do this, just open the LD player and in it open the settings. And in the settings, set the resolution to 1280x720 and cores to 2 and memory to half number of memory you have and disk space to 20. Now let's head on to model tab and set the model to Google Pixel 3. And in the game setting, enable ASTC cache and set the resolution to HD. And the rest of setting is not important, so you can set it. Step number 2 is priority setting. To do this, just open the task manager when the emulator is running and in the details tab, search for LD player service and set its priority to high. Step number 3 is graphics setting. To do this, in the search bar, search for graphics setting. In the graphics setting, browse for LD player emulator. In the options, set it to high performance. Step number 4 is compatibility setting. This, right click on the LD player icon on the desktop. Open its properties. And in the compatibility, run it as an administrator for Windows 8. And check on the option and change high DPI setting to system. And then click on apply and then OK it. Step number 5 is update setting. To do this, open the emulator and in the 3 dots icon, search for updates. And if there is any update, update it. I am up to date. So this was all, hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech and emulator related videos and thumbs up for the video if you found it helpful. For now, it's bye.